this lesson's on two things. One is the design gallery objects, and the other is the content gallery. Both deal with the ability to drop certain things into any type of document. I've got a 4-page newsletter here, and I'm at the back page, and I've got a whole bunch of dummy data here that I want to get rid of. Just want you to know you have this Marquee Select tool that exists in Word as well. Rather than having to click on one of these at a time and delete them one at a time, you're able to click and drag a box around all of those items, and you see that it's selected everything in there. And by hitting delete once, I've gotten rid of that whole mess quickly and easily. Now, from this button right here, this design gallery object, I can drop in a whole litany of things. Now, accent boxes. Okay, I'm not going to go through every single thing, but some of them are actually quite interesting, and I can see myself using some of them on a regular basis. One of them being this neat calendar tool. So I can drop in a calendar right into this newsletter quickly and easily. So I'll just hit arcs, I'll say insert object, and it's put it in, and then when I get my 4 arrows on this object, I'm able to just click it and drag it into wherever it is I need it to. I'd be able to size it if I wanted to. Now the size is actually pretty good right now, but you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can edit it, right? You can get right in there and add some dates, add some text if you'd like. You can change the font size if you wanted to. So not only was I able to add the content quickly and easily, but I can edit the content as well. And so you can just keep going right through that list and look at the different objects that you'd be able to insert into your document. I'm going to go back to the list real quickly here. All right, so I had calendars. I have coupons, of course, here. Different logos, phone tear-offs. So take a few minutes and take a look at some of the things you've got inside your design gallery objects. The other feature that I wanted to talk to you about is the button right underneath it, and it's item from content library. Now it'll be up to you to build this content library with whatever logos and designs and things that you might find on the internet or that you might have created on your own. Now here I'm using our own logo, and what I did is I found our logo and I simply copied it, put it on the clipboard, and then when I hit add selected item or add item on clipboard to the content library, it added it to the content library. And now that it's on the content library, I can drop it in at any time. So I can insert that into any document that I want to at any time. And of course, you'll have the ability to size it and move it as well. So those are two very handy features that allow you to drop pretty much anything that you can think of into a document without having to go to insert and going through your entire library. So I would set up Publisher in such a way that all of the logos that you're going to be using, all of the clip art, all of the little things that you use on a regular basis would be accessible through one of these two little buttons, just for the sake of saving yourself some time.